Hello, dear students. Let us start with our new chapter, lesson number 6, Water, Storage and Quality. So, dear students, in today's class, we shall learn about the introduction part of this lesson. In this lesson, we shall learn about water storage, water purification of methods, water pollution, the effects of water pollution. Dear students, can you stay without water? Or why is water important to us? Water is very much important to us, and we cannot stay without water because water is the most essential sources of energy. So, dear students, let us find out where do we get water from and where we store the water. Right? Yes. Is there facility to store the water in house? Do you know how the water is stored? Let us learn all these in detail in today's class. So, dear students, we have learned that rain is the most or the main important or the main source of water. But the rainy season in India lasts for 3 to 4 months. But we need water throughout the year, right? So, where do we store the water or where do we get the water from? Let us learn about the storage of water in detail. So, dear students, there were old storage water system and now new storage water system, that is now and then. So, we used to store water in certain storage systems. Before, we used to use well, step well, water tank in fort, bunds across a river. These are the old water storage systems. That is nothing but which was used before in ancient times. In ancient time, these were the things which is used to store the water. Now we use, that is, the new storage systems are dams, bore wells, and water tanks. These are the three things which we use to store the water in the storage system. This is the new storage system, and in old storage system, that is which was used in ancient time. Okay, students? Yes, we used to use all these before, that is step well, draw well, that is nothing but a normal well, water tank in fort, bund across a river. These we used to use before in ancient times. Okay, in this generation, that is in new water storage system, we use dams to store the water, bore wells and water tanks. Okay, we store the water in these systems. Okay, yes, we shall learn about these systems in detail in the next session, like how it is useful, what are its features in the next session. I hope you all have understood that water storage now and then, how the storage system was. Let us discuss this storage system in the next session. Thank you, class. Enjoy learning.